Hello. It's a really cloudy day today. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Happy 2023. I am here to serve you with nails. Press-ons to be exact. So Betty Cora has sent me a package and I will be happy to test all their products out for you and show you what all these pretty sets look like. So now let me choose 6 packs and they're also beautiful. There are some Christmas designs too that we're not gonna wear now, but we're gonna wear it probably next year. But I'm gonna show you all of them, half of them on this video on this channel and half of them I'm gonna leave for my other channel Nailist so that, you know, I tease you a little bit to go check that out too and subscribe to it. They sent me this package. I've already opened them because I couldn't, you know. It took a little bit of time to arrive. I live in Greece, so I think they came from Belgium. So they sent me this and it's all full of individually packed sets, and let's pick 3 to show you here randomly. Ooh, here's a pink one too. All right, there's 7. So as I've told you, I've opened them already and I have already tried this set on. I'll leave you a little clip of that over here, and they low-key lasted for a whole week with just the stickers that they give you. So I prepped my nails, like I dehydrated them and buffed them, and I put them on with those stickers for each individual nail, and they lasted for a week and I had to take them off. I have another video that I show you how I take them off. But yeah, pretty amazing quality and pretty easy application. I tried to choose some designs that had a lot of nail art on them because I do my nails, but nail art is a part that takes a lot of the time. So if you want to really, you know, look like you put some effort in it, you can put some press-ons that have a lot of nail art. And these are awesome. I have the Evil Eye, which I'm a big fan of. I'm not going to wear them today because I'm going to wear something longer. These ones are the Christmas ones. It's one of the Christmas sets they gave me, and unfortunately it arrived after Christmas, so we couldn't do much about it. But yeah, those look nice. They have little gnomes and they don't have any crystals, but of course you can just put a little bling here and there if you feel like it. This was the pair that I wanted to wear for you guys today, so this is what we're going to be wearing. It's a long coffin shape, and I don't know, I fell in love with it. So let me show you what the pack has inside of it. As we open it, you can see all the some pink nail glue, and you can see all the nail sizes. There are extra sizes here because this was not a pack that I chose the size. It was like one size for everyone, so it comes with more than plenty to find your own size. Instructions. It gives you step by step all the process to put them and remove them. I believe this is the background and a thank you note. And it comes with this nice individual stickers for each nail that lasted a long time, like I told you. And this little pack that has a little BettyCora file, an orange stick, and a prep pad, which I believe dehydrates your nails. So let's get it started. I like this more, I think, because you can just, you know, take them off easier. And I do a lot of nail designs for my other channel, so it is what it is. It says polish and shape the false nails with a mini nail file using the sticks to push the nail cuticle. File your nails to remove surface oil. Clean nails with alcohol cotton, then keep them dry. Select and stick the jelly adhesive on nails and wear the nails and press them hard for 10 to 20 seconds. So that method worked great. And apparently there is a remove method that I didn't know about, that you soak them in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes and then they just, yeah, I had a hard time taking them off. Should have probably read the instructions. But yeah. So first things, I'm gonna measure what nails fit me, and I'll be putting them on this tray right here. It's a little too big. You don't want it to overlap on your cuticle sides because they produce oils and then it's gonna help them pop easier. As you can see, it can fit sidewall to sidewall perfectly. From what I see, they're probably printed or airbrushed because I can see that on the sides it's slightly uncolored. The designs are so pretty, and I think I'm gonna stretch this thumb, which is the next size, to fit my thumb because it looks so much better, right? And it's too big for the rest of my nails. So yeah, let's do that. This is how you stretch it. Be careful not to completely, you know, mess it up. It fits almost like, it fits pretty well. Side and the other side. Anyway, you get the point. Okay, and this is what the set is gonna look like. So, from what it says, we'll need to shape the nails. You know, all you're really trying to do is just straighten the edge because, you know, it's from where they cut it off straight probably. We take the orange stick and we just push back the cuticles. And now I'm going to use the prep pad. It says wipe each nail thoroughly for 10 to 15 seconds. So we'll do that. I'm sorry, before this step, you're supposed to buff your nails like so. But I'm not going to do something like that because I really need to change my nails very often. So that's going to keep them on for so long, more than I want to at this point. So I didn't buff my nails, I just dehydrated them. And they look like this, pretty short. So what is honestly really good about these is that if you can see like from real close, you can see that they have so many cuts that it just hangs your nail bed exactly as it needs to. So, wait, did I tell you that you can use code BDY Stella for 20% off? Now you know. You peel off this coat first, and then you grab your size from the little handle thingy. You're left with something like this. And we will stick this all the way, oh my god, please don't focus on my face, all the way from the start of the nail bed from side to side. I'll do the same for the rest. Okay, and you're left with something like this. So now we peel them off. And you should go ahead and stick it as close to the cuticle as possible. Like so. No, right? And press it for 10 to 20 seconds. Also make sure they're even before you press them and straight. Okay, we're getting there. That is so fast. Do you see this? That was super fast, guys. I honestly haven't been trusting press-ons. Hello. I have honestly not been trusting press-ons that much, but after I wore this set that I showed you for a week, and then of course you can just reuse them. If you don't use acetone to remove them, you can of course reuse them. But whenever you need a fast solution, like go, you go from this to this, and people are looking for me, but you go from this to this in like so fast. I don't know what to tell you. So yeah, code BDY Stella for 20% off. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Oh, go to my other channel, Nailist, to check those things too.